Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we made a amazing love spell that would make your love back in your life. This is excellent love spell and no age limit required for love this spell. This spell name is I love you spell. You have to write this I love you spell and you have to make 2 lines follow of these words. There are certain condition to do this love spell, and this love spell would work for you. First of all, this is not a magic, this is not a witchcraft. This is not a black magic. This is simple love spell. You have to say only 2 words and your lover would come back in your life forever. And this spell would work for you lifelong. Another condition for this love spell is you have to wear red shirt, t-shirt, anything you should have to wear red. Third one, you have to do this love spell at 5:30 p.m. alone. Nobody should interrupt you, nobody should see you while doing this love spell. And these are the 2 words that I am going to tell you. You have to speak in your mind in the front of your lover. You don't have to say anything in front of him. You don't do anything. You have to say only these 2 words in the front of your lover or your targeted person or your ex. You have to say here your lover's name and then you have to say these words. First of all, you have to say this word and your lover name, for example Maria, whatever your lover's name is, Maria, John, Stephen, whatever the name is, you have to say that. And you have to do this spell whenever no one should see you, no one going to interrupt you while doing this spell. If you are going to do this spell and someone interrupt you, then it would not give you results. And you have to wear red shirt, t-shirt, trouser, anything that you have to wear red while doing this love spell. You have to go in the front of your lover and you don't have to say anything. Just you have to say these 2 words in the front of him or her in just your mind. The words are alam kitam. Like you have to say alam Here your lover's name and kitam. Alam, for example, your lover name is Sophia. You have to say Alam Sophia Kitam, and you would see the result instantly, and your lover come to you and say I love you too. And you have to keep this paper with you only 15 minutes, and then you have to go to your front of your lover after 15 minutes of this. After doing this spell, you would see that that person is going to come to meet to you and come in front of you and say that I love you too. That spell would work for you. If you are facing any kind of problem while doing this love spell, you can call us on our number that is showing top of the screen, and like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you to watch this video. See you soon. Bye bye.